So, here we are in Kaohsiung, Taiwan, and we're taking a look at my parents-in-law's tiny garden at the back of their first floor apartment. So you can see that this blue gate here, freshly painted, leads to an alleyway between the apartments. So let's take a look at this alleyway first, just to get a idea. Okay, so right, you can go out this blue door, and you can go left down the alleyway, or you can go right down the alleyway, and there's a long metal grate which is drainage, and if you go through this metal door you'll see scooters and hanging laundry. But then in the house there's a window, but then you'll also see that there are many interesting plants planted by my father-in-law. So if you look down there, let's see here, aquatic plants. Now it's pretty nice. The water is clear and there's no water flow, but the plants take care of it, I guess. And there's a sad little plant here covered in dust. And you see those gray pipes, those are the pipes from the upstairs apartments, the sewer pipes. And you'll see a big bottle of propane, that's for cooking. So there's no line to the city for propane. They just have to get these huge propane tanks delivered. So this, I believe, is an orchid, a type of orchid which are native to Taiwan. And Kaohsiung is actually, I forget what it's called, but it's closer to the equator. It's closer to the equator than Taipei, so it's very warm here. Like, for example, it's February now, but today is going to be like 25 to 30 degrees. So it looks like we have a coconut back there, coconut palm back behind here, and it's 20 years old. And below that is an avocado. Back there, I don't know what those are, but this is an avocado. So you can see how massive well, not massive, but big they can actually grow. So that's an avocado. This tree, I don't know what it is. Oh, sorry. It's also part of the avocado. It looks like it. I believe my mother-in-law said that it's a different it's a different species of avocado. So this one, like the leaves are long, and this one the leaves are wider, more like the avocados we see in Canada. Well, the avocado type that we see in Canada. And there's a tree that's taller than I, and this is Pachira aquatica, which is the money tree. Those ones that are braided braided and sold in supermarkets in Canada. And all of these plants were planted by seed by my father-in-law. From seed, sorry. Planted from seed by my father-in-law. Here's the lucky bamboo plant, but it's not actually a bamboo. More like a grass. Wait, grass, bamboo is grass, but anyways, sorry, I think it's not related to grass or bamboo. I don't know what that is. This is a palm for sure. Not sure what kind either. This one here kind of looks like mulberry. Yep, mulberry, mulberry. And the bark does match mulberry. So those mulberries are everywhere in the world. This is very bonsai-esque. Very nice. Not sure what it is though. And here's the washroom plant. Forget what it's called, but they're everywhere in the world. And over here, I think this is another avocado. And I don't know what that is. This tree kind of looks like papaya, but not exactly. I forget what it was called. Wuhua guo su, which is five flowers fruit plant. I'm not sure. I'll look it up and then I'll put what it is in the description. Down here is a plant. This looks like, I have no idea. It kind of looks like the Bodhi tree to me, but I'm not sure. Over here, this is tea tree. You know, like the one where the tree where you get a lot of essential oils. Tea tree. So the Australian one. So now let's take a look over here. And let's see what's on top of the wall. And there's one there. It looks like it's dead, but apparently it's not. And that gray door is back into the house, the door that I came out of. This tree, I don't know what it is, but it has mites. This tree is it has some kind of rust fungus on it, but apparently it recovers in the summer. Or maybe that's, yeah, I think it's some kind of rust or fungus. We have this plant, which is beautiful. Not sure what it's called. These leaves are really thick. I wonder what that is. This I also have no idea, but I think I've seen it on Instagram. That's nice too. These are Pelea peperimoides, the Chinese money plant. And over here, this looks very familiar, I think it's some kind of citrus. And back there we have another palm-esque plant. So that's pretty much it for this garden. Have a great day.